Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're given the equation P equals 108 minus 23D, and we're given some information about this equation, and we're asked what is the meaning of the value 108 in that equation. So, writing this out right here, we notice this is a linear equation, because P is to the first power and D is to the first power. We don't have a D squared or anything like that. This isn't a quadratic or a cubic or anything like that. This is a linear function. So if we're taking P in terms of D, right, P is equal to 108 minus 23D. If we rearrange it to negative 23D plus 108, then this is similar to this form we're probably familiar with, y is equal to mx plus b, right? Where you have your independent variable, D in this case. You have negative 23 is the rate of change, or the slope of the line. 108 is your y-intercept, and your dependent variable is p or y. So in this situation, we should say, okay, the rate of change is 23, and the y-intercept, or the p-intercept, is 108, which is what we're looking for. So what does it mean for something to be a p-intercept? Well, that's going to be p, since this is the p-intercept, when the other variable, which is D, is equal to 0. So P equals 108 when D is equal to 0. Okay, so what is P? So P is the number of phones that Kathy has left. So Kathy has 108 phones left when D equals 0. What is D? D is the number of days that she's worked that week. So D equals 0, she's worked 0 days, so that means it's at the start of the week. So Kathy has 108 phones left at the start of the week. If you're looking for an explanation of why the p-intercept is p when D equals 0, plug in D equals 0 into this equation, and you'll see we have p is equal to negative 23 times 0 plus 108. P is equal to negative 23 times 0 is 0 plus 108, which is equal to 108. So P equals 108 when D equals 0. So this is sort of our final answer, but we have to connect it to one of these. So Kathy has 108 phones left at the start of the week. Which of these is it most similar to? Well, Kathy starts each week with 100 phones to fix. So that is what we are basically saying here. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.